Hey there folks, Grant Schubert down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln, back at it again with another video. It's a bittersweet day down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln as it's delivery day on this 2018 F-150. That's right folks, this truck will be leaving our lot for the last time today. We have a little bit of work to do to it, so I'll show you that. We'll show you the cleanup, and then we'll show you the customers seeing the truck all nice and shiny for the first time. So again, this is a beautiful truck. I'll get back to the features in just one quick sec, but this was actually a manager-driven demo. One of the bigwigs at Ford, one of the executives was driving it. We purchased it from the auction, and then our customers get a smoking deal on it. This one had an MSRP of over $77,000. My customer purchased it for $57,000. That's absolutely smoking deal for this vehicle. It's a Lariat 502A. Comes with some very sweet bells and whistles. Again, the remote start built right into the key. You also have the Ford Pass app, which comes free with this guy. You can remote start it, unlock it, lock it right from that app. This one also has the special edition package, so you see you get the special decals on the hood, you get the special striping. On the inside, you get the seats, you get the intelligent access, again with the 502A. We've got the power deploying running boards on this one, so as soon as you open up the door, it goes ahead and drops down for you. We've got the red accents on the seats. We've got the Sync 3. We've got the twin panel moonroof, which is all closed up right now because it's a pretty sunny day. So again, to keep those greenhouse gas effects out, you just close that guy up. So again, guys, stay tuned. It's going to be a pretty exciting video, and my customer is going to be pretty excited to take this guy home. Our detailer's doing a great job. That lead foot came out beautiful as well. Yeah. It's sweet looking truck. So we'll just do a nice little handshake. We'll look back at the folks there, and everything's all good.
All good. Thank you so much for your help.
There you go, Dean. My pleasure. So that's it, folks. There goes our 2018 F-150 Lariat, that beautiful lead foot color. If this is something that you think you might be interested in, definitely send me an email. We can certainly set you up with a test drive and get you any information you're looking for. I look forward to hearing back from you. Bye for now.